During my stay in Rwanda, I got to experience the famous Omuganda, which is the cleaning of the town. In this case, I was able to see the beauty and the ugly part of Rwanda, which includes the dirty and the clean side of Rwanda. And in this video, I'm going to be taking you together with me as I run my activities of the day, and I show you how I even got lost in the streets of Rwanda together with my friend. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For those who are new, my name is Samantha. I keep saying this thing. Now for my vlogs, I don't think I'll be saying it, but yeah, I do lifestyle videos. Now today is day 2 here in Kigali, Rwanda, and as you can see, I just look like I woke up, but I have already done some editing. Have edited one video already. I have delays in the time that I will upload my videos, like my Rwanda videos. Like I'll not upload my Rwanda videos the same time I'm in Rwanda, if like the plan I have continues being the way it is. But yeah, I have put some food in the microwave right now to heat, because yesterday I came back to home is when we were shooting the nighttime routine at Kigali Conventional Center. I got so tired, not so tired, but I got here so late that I wouldn't vlog anymore. So right now my food is warming. I didn't eat yesterday, so I'm going to be eating it today. I take breakfast and lunch together, and yesterday's dinner together. So I'm going to be a full girl. So after that, yeah, we're gonna see what we proceed with the day. Actually guys, let me update you right now. It's on a Saturday, the last Saturday of the month of February, and it's Omuganda, where everyone in the community goes to clean. So I'm just going to give you a small shot of the people of Rwanda cleaning their country, so you too can also think and just be challenged by what they do, because this is a rare thing to see. Like everyone stops everything they're doing from 8 to 10 a.m. and they're all outside to clean their country. I'm even told that at some point, like, there are days when the president joins up with the people who are cleaning that region. So yeah, it never fails, it always happens, and that's why Rwanda is able to remain as clean as it is. Yeah, so let's go get our food. I'm so sure by now it's warm. You guys, and I love this place. It was referred to me by Napi, and we are cost sharing. We are living like 6 of us with my Ugandan friend. By now you know her. And yeah, so let's go eat.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
So this is well late after so much shooting. Change of clothes, change of outfit. Yeah, now I'm eating. Erina loves sugarcane a lot, so that's what I'm eating right now. After that, I have food to eat. Oh, yeah. So I don't know where the excitement for eating from outside came from, but we are eating from outside. So let me go set my phone and start eating.
Oh, he does track me. Now, his channel is not about creating videos. His channel is about live streams.
Live streams.
And he calls his team the buffering team.
Every time
we went live, the network would buffer every day for like 2 months. So he says, "Hi, the buffering team, buffering queen and queens."
Erin, I have a question. What do you think about Omuganda? Should everyone adapt it?
Yeah. Cool.
But what?
So that is everyone's effort in terms of keeping the community clean.
Yeah.
Because they are involved in what? In cleaning it. But these things of leaving it to the authority, maybe city authority, when people eat, they just throw anyhow. The authority will clean. Rather, they are involved and they know how hard it takes to clean the city and to keep it clean, so that
Oh, it's around 3 p.m. We were supposed to leave the house at 2. But now, because we are girls and we got late shooting and everything, we are now stepping out, ready to go explore Rwanda. Pardon? Yes, we don't keep time. But they do. They've told us they've already started. Okay, let's hope not so. Bye. See you. Yeah. So we're going to witness some event. And I'm with this beautiful girl. I just want to know the difference between the clean Rwanda and the dirty Rwanda. Now, because yesterday it was dirty, today is clean.
So is who? It wasn't dirty at all.
Yes, it wasn't dirty, but it was.
It wasn't.
Like, just because something is clean, when you wash it, the more it becomes cleaner.
But that doesn't mean it was dirty.
Okay.
So actually, you can't differentiate when after cleaning, even when they
before cleaning.
It's the whole thing.
Yeah. Oh my God. So we are at Kitikiro, Kagarama, heading to Nyamirambo or Tracom. I tell you, coming better in these things. So let's go. So now I have an interesting story. Oh my God. We are here in this place that we are coming for an event. And I just got lost in Rwanda. Yeah, I lost my friend, so we are trying to get to each other. People here can speak English, some can speak Swahili. So where Irina, she can speak Swahili. It's just crazy. But I'm sure I'm gonna get her. So I'm just trying to walk after I've asked for direction. And because copyright is a thing, we ain't here. Lost but found! Hello, so we're here and we are shooting the behind the scenes. Look at this one. This one?
This one is 800.
What is it?
Then one scoop is 500. This is also ice cream. Which one?
What did you take?
What of this?
Let me show you things that only happen in Kigali. This is Arina's phone. And this is Arina. He does not care. He is just on another level. Like no theft at all. Like you can just leave your things there and then find it. Now let me introduce you to these people who are in strange land.
Hi guys, I'm introducing myself. Hey.
So we are in Rwanda, but all of us are not from anywhere close to Rwanda, but you're happy to chill in a different country. Very interesting. You're cutting her out.
Content creator. The one and only content creator.
Senior.
I tell you.
The junior.
She's creating content.
The model.
So we are having ice cream. We had come for an event, but we got a bit late. We were coming to see people cycling and competing, so we got late. So we're here, chilling and having a good time.
Well, I'm not chilling. As you can see, I'm not eating.
Alright,
I'm not chilling.
okay, fine. I definitely know you know them. And if you don't know them, go check them in the description box. Their links are there. Subscribe to their channel as well. Yeah. yeah, nothing big major happened, but we had a lot of talks, lots of conversations about YouTube, because we met like different YouTubers from different places. We had some good time, chilled, just did some lots of talking about YouTube. Right now we are here at, what's this place?
We are at Kigali Conference and Exhibition Village.
Yeah,
here in Rwanda.
They sell like artifacts and
so they says like made in Rwanda clothes,
yeah,
and also made in Rwanda handicrafts. So when you want to come to Rwanda and buy like some handicrafts made in Rwanda, you can come in here. And here in Kigali near city center.
Ah,
yeah.
Wow. Yeah, but just to be on the safe side and to be the good influencer that I intend to be or that I am, there are also cheaper places to get all these like souvenirs that you'd want to carry to your place. But this is a good place to just come take a walk. It's a cool, beautiful place, by the way, very awesome. Like they have tried. I'll give you shots of this place. And yeah, anyway guys, that is it for this video. After this I'm just going to take a Buddha, go home and rest, because we've had a long day, really, lots of shooting and lots of such activities. But
so we need like to take enough rest, because tomorrow we have like car free day.
Yeah, sure. Yeah,
so guys, be ready. We shoot videos on car free day and show you how Kigali is on Sunday. Yeah.
Yeah, also don't forget to subscribe to his channel. He's been so good. Like every day you'll be seeing him on my channel, because he's taking me around Rwanda.
Wow.
Like who else can do that?
You guys, if it's your first time you see in my video, you see me.
Yeah.
My name is Nexo Rwanda. I'm a young YouTuber here in Rwanda. So go to YouTube, search Nexo Rwanda and subscribe. Give a video a thumbs up. Show me love.
Yeah,
Thank
sure.
you.
So the link, I'm going to put the link in the description box. And if you enjoyed this kind of vlog, this vlog I do just in memory, because I just want to have all like snippet of what Rwanda has been. And so this is day 2 according to my count. And I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching. Bye.